Today we are looking at a 68D seed cleaner. This unit has top and bottom air. We've just finished rebuilding this unit. The wood is nice and bright, nice and beautiful. Zoomed out a little bit so I can walk around it and you can see the most of it as possible. This unit is powered by a 3-phase electric motor. In a minute we will fire it up so you can see it run. We disassembled this unit completely. You can see we put a new fan housing here on the top air. We also put a new bottom fan housing on it. You can see the new plywood. We use a high-grade, high-density plywood for any part that we replace on these units. This is a Super 68D seed cleaner. The work speaks for itself. We did equip this unit with the VFD package. So we've set the bottom air up to run off of a VFD. That makes adjusting the speed very easy and convenient. It's done by just pushing these buttons here. In a minute I will demonstrate that. We set this unit up to use ball trays to keep the screens from blinding. It's been upgraded with some nice wooden ball trays. In a minute we will fire it up and you can see them bounce around underneath the screens. The wood on this unit is in excellent shape. Everything's nice and bright. The sun is shining at the perfect angle, so hopefully it won't bleach out too much of this. It's just an all-around nice unit. You can see underneath the unit, we can see our counterweights under there and our eccentric shafts. This is just an all-around nice unit. The work speaks for itself. We are going to fire the unit up for you now. Alright, because of the power limitations of our shop, I can only run one electric motor at a time. So to demonstrate the VFD package on the bottom fan, I'm going to fire it up first. We can see that power is put to the unit, it's blinking. Now this display will flicker a little bit because of the camera. In person it does not flicker. It has something to do with the frame rate, and that is what causes the flickering you will see on the screen. If I hit the run button, the fan will fire right up. You can see it turning there. Now this is at its maximum speed. See, it's running at 800 RPMs. If I want to change that, I just hit the over button. Then this number will start flashing if I hit the over button once. So that would be adjusting it by 1 RPM. If I hit it again, then I would be adjusting it by 10 RPM. And if I hit it 3 times, then I'm adjusting it by hundreds of RPM. So if I want to slow it down to 700, hit that button 3 times, then I turn it down to 700, and then I hit enter. If I want to slow it down to, say, 500 RPM, I turn it down to 500. And then, of course, if I want to adjust it by 10, I just turn it up. I can adjust it to 559. You can hear that it sped up a little bit. And then of course I can adjust it by 1. I've sped it up by 3 RPM. That doesn't really change too much. Let me adjust it by 7 RPM. You can hear it changes in frequency a little bit. This allows you to get it fine-tuned. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to turn it down to its lowest setting, which is 400. The slowest setting would be used on a really light product that's easy to blow away. Want to speed it up, you can turn it up to 487. You can hear it sped up a little bit. So this gives you a lot of versatility, and it allows you to get everything tailored perfectly to your needs. You can also switch it around to where it can be changed by this knob, and that makes it a little more convenient than pushing it in here on the keypad. To shut it off, just hit the stop button and it will come to a stop. Now I'm going to wire up the larger motor so you can see the rest of the machine run. Okay, now we've connected the main motor. We're going to fire it up for you now. Fires right up. Motor starts strong, runs strong. You can see the shoe shaking back and forth. See the balls bouncing around. All of the controls are free. Work as they should. Everything on this unit hums right along. There are no irregular noises. See that the balls inside of the shoe have good agitation. Those bounce around and keep the screen from blinding. I don't have the roll feed hopper engaged, so I just pull over on this lever. That starts the roll feed hopper. That's used when you're done cleaning for the day and you have more product up above the cleaner. You disengage the roll feed hopper and then the mill can clean out. See those gears turning there? Again, please excuse the glare of the sunlight. Just an all-around nice unit. Comes right along. Again, this is the motor that drives the bottom air. Again, this is equipped with our VFD package. And because of the power limitations of our shop, I don't have the bottom air running, but you can see it there. Hums right along. Beautiful piece of machinery. It's got some good safety shielding. Back of the top air here. Now it looks like those fan blades are turning slower, but that is again the frame rate of the camera. It's just an all-around nice unit, ready to go to work and run for a long time. These units are available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.